How to hard reset iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset your iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. And remember, this method doesn't only work for iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, but it also works for all other iPhones such as the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 12, 12 Pro, 13, 13 Pro, etc. So no matter what iPhone you have, if you want to reset it, what you'll have to do is simply go to your settings. After that, scroll down and then go to General. Now once you've done that, you'll have to scroll to the bottom side of the screen until you see the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. And once you've done that, you may tap on the option Reset, but this is not actually the reset button from where you can reset your entire iPhone. So the option is actually called Erase All Content and Settings. So simply tap on it. And once you've done that, simply tap on the option Continue. Now once you've done that, you'll have to enter the passcode for your iPhone. So simply enter it over here, and then a pop-up will appear asking you to tap on the option Erase iPhone. Erase iPhone, simply tap on it. Now once you've done that, the Apple logo will appear. So all you have to do is simply be patient and wait for this to complete. And now once this has been completed, your iPhone will be successfully resetted or it will be erased. So that is basically how you reset your iPhone, whether it may be iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max or any other iPhone. And as you can see, the iPhone has successfully been reset, and now you will be able to set it up as a new device. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.